Okay, we'll try this court, see how far it goes back. Not very far. Nobody behind me, so we'll do a backwards turn. Just with leaning, you want to watch you don't hit anything that's in the road that'll cause your tire to kick out. Hi guys. Stand and pedal a little bit. Okay. That's fun too. Let's see what else we have. Do we have another road to go by? See, I think that's it. Then we go back out to the faster road. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is crank the pedal assist up because of my concern about other traffic. So just this upper button here, you see it toggled from 1 up to 5. Make sure nobody's coming. Start pedaling. Okay, good. Nobody behind me. I'm going to turn up into this other court here. Nobody coming down. Yeah, go up the in. Or go in the out. Shift down to pedal assist 1. That only allows you to, the bike will only go up to about 11 miles an hour or so by itself. Hey guys. Hi. All good. kinds of people out today. 2 more up there in the woods at the edge, walking a couple dogs, it looks like. Hey guys. Shift that back. Need some oil. Okay. Ozark's garden there in winter mode. Okay, I'm going to go do a super hill here. One of our steeper hills. Well, maybe not. Heck with it.